Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened today in the market for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and what is expected from the market for these three skips tomorrow. So first one is we look at Nifty, what was expected and what we really discussed. We said that market cannot take a buy until it crosses some level, and market could not break the turn. Actually, it started coming down. The entry was here, so it gave more than 100 points here. So that was a good trade today, and that ends the only trade that was possible today for Nifty. And what is expected from tomorrow is that we can expect a buy only if the market is crossing this line 22417. Otherwise, we always look for sell scenario. If there's a good gap up and breaking this only, we can look for a buy. Otherwise, we can expect market actually volatile in between this region. Actually, today's low and this rate 22,400, this is going to be a range for tomorrow, where market is going to be going around this, basically this channel. If by chance, if it breaks 15-minute candle breaks this channel, we can go for short. Definitely can wait for 100 points for the target. So that is what we have it. So basically, this channel is critical for tomorrow. If it is breaking it down, then we can go for a good trade. If it is buy, we can probably leave for a day, so that let market give the pattern for the long conditions. Otherwise, we are looking for only short positions. Breaking this, we can go for short. Otherwise, let market give a pattern for long positions. So this is about Nifty. Look at Bank Nifty. So exactly this trend line we had drawn already. Once you see the rejection coming below this EMA 21, go for short entry. We get some easily 300 to 500 points. That was the target. I think we could easily achieve it. It is exactly similar to Nifty. Market can remain between this today's low and this 48,680. So it might remain in this condition until it breaks today's low. Will not go for short. Otherwise, market might remain in this volatile in this region. Maybe sideways tomorrow for a whole day if it is not breaking today's low actually. So based on that, we can decide the trade, what kind of trade we can go for it accordingly. So Reliance probably like it has given enough point today. So I don't know market would really give again down, because if you look at it, it has given a breakdown. It is given it has broken this. It has reversed completely for day, and we have to wait for weekly how it is going to be performing. Right? Let's see. Let it form any pattern for going up, then we can decide about how it is going to be for long side. Otherwise, market lines also looks to be down. Similarly, this also looks to be like mostly volatile in this region, and until it breaks today's low, we may not see a short. Market may remain volatile in this region of 2835 and 2786. So we will not be able to have a clear decision of this, which side market would be taking for lens tomorrow. This is what we have it for today for these three scripts. You can take trade accordingly, whatever we discuss. And this is what I have kind of noted down today. Below 20 to 410, we said it is going to be 100 points target. We got it today. This is what we had mentioned yesterday in our slide. And for tomorrow, gap up only 20 to 420, we can go above this number only can go for long. Others look for short scenario and gap up scenarios, or gap down. If it is breaking a 15-minute channel, the channel broken with a 15-minute candle with red candle, we can go for short, where we can expect a good target of 22,000 or minimum of 200 100 points there in this Nifty. So thanks for watching this video. This video, you can like this video and then share with your friends. Yeah, subscribe to this channel. Thanks again.